watching your video.
Thanks, man.
I don't hit like. But
You don't hit like. Oh, here's the original price tag.
What could you get one for?
$2,600.
All right.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Blue Edge Mock YouTube channel. And today, gonna show a little bit of stuff what I've been doing on the car. And I kind of got held up on the rear end for now, and so I'm gonna rewire a little bit of stuff, and we'll go over that shortly. And then I'm gonna head out with Matt, and we're gonna go to a car show. So we'll show you some of the cool stuff that we see there. And then on this connector, some of the pins, the wires wouldn't stay connected into the connector, so when they were coming out, they were losing the ground. Now I've been adding some wiring to the wiring harness here. Me and TJ pulled the dash the other day to get back to some of this wiring, and when we did that, there was a lot of loose ends, so I'm just cleaning up some of this stuff that I couldn't get to. So if you worked on these cars, you understand that it's tough to get up under here when the dash is in there. So that's all I really could do to get it to work for the track day. Some of the wiring labels. So before, I had just some painter's tape on the labels just to make sure that it was going to run good and I didn't have to change any wiring up. Some of the wires already labeled so that now if there's anything wrong, I can troubleshoot it a little easier. Whenever Matt gets here, Matt's got the turbo Foxbody, so whenever he gets here, we'll hop in the car with him and head out to that car show. So if you're new here to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave me a comment, know what you think. It really helps out grow the channel, so I really appreciate it. Guys, so we got it all cleaned up. If you live in South Carolina, you know how bad this pollen is. Just from driving over here from his friend's house, it got all super dirty. So we got it cleaned up and we're gonna head out to the car show. So we're riding in this drag car. I don't know if you can hear it because it's so loud, but this thing is badass. I know you can hear them turbo noises. Hobo. Whoopsie. But one day we need to get together and do a full review on this car. Maybe let me get behind the wheel and drive it.
Oh my.
We'll see. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that.
Oh, you want to see that? You definitely want to see that.
You want to see me driving this?
He ain't gonna hurt this thing. This right here, Chinese choo-choo parts, baby. Oh, roll side. They made the best stuff in China.
That's right. They copy the best stuff in
They
China.
copy the best stuff. Can't nobody say that ain't a street car.
You know it's a street car when you're on 85 on this car. We're cruising at 3,200 RPM. Oh, there they are.
Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah, there's a lot more cars now.
motion, that wheel wobbled. Something was wrong.
Yeah.
You didn't discover it for a week later, but I saw it.
I just didn't put the slow-mo in there. All right, guys, so thanks for tuning in for that video. I hope you enjoyed the car show and seeing all the cool cars that we got to see. Stay tuned for the next video.
I'll tell you when to shit.